Namaste students, myself JB and Dr. Arun Kumar Singh, Faculty of Education Mythology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class BSc B.Ed ZVC 8th semester. We will discuss the topic chromosomes. Outlines, definition and history of chromosomes, features of eukaryotic chromosomes, chromosome size, shape and number, chemical composition of chromosomes and chromosome structures. Relative position of chromosome in cell. Within nucleus, nucleus deep in cytoplasm and nucleus inside nucleosome or nucleosome presents chromosomes. Introduction and history of chromosomes. Definition of chromosomes. Chromosomes are the rod-shaped, dark-stained bodies seen during metaphase stage of mitosis. Okay. Strasburgers discovered chromosomes in 1875. The term chromosomes was coined by Walder in 1888. Term initiated as chroma means colored and soma means body, colored bodies. Features of eukaryotic chromosomes. Eukaryotic chromosomes are best visible during metaphase. Chromosome bear genes in a linear functions. Chromosome vary in shape, size and number in different species of plant and animals. Chromosomes have property of self-duplication and mutation, right? Chromosomes are composed of DNA, RNA and proteins, okay? Chromosomes size, shape and number. Chromosome size is measured at mitotic metaphase, generally measured in length and diameters. Plants usually have longer chromosomes than animals. Plant chromosomes are generally 0.8 to 7 μ in length, whereas animal chromosomes are 0.5 to 4 μ in length. Chromosome size varies from species to species. Chromosome shape. The shape of chromosomes is generally determined by the position of centromere. Position of centromere according to chromosomes of different types: metacentric, polycentric, acrocentric, submetacentric, etc. etc. Okay. Chromosomes generally exist in three different shapes: rod shape, J shape, V shape. Okay. Chromosome number. Each species has definite and constant somatic and genetic chromosome number. Somatic chromosomes number is the number of chromosomes found in somatic cells, while genetic chromosomes number is the number of chromosomes found in gametic cells. Somatic chromosomes are always diploid and are denoted as 2n, whereas genetic chromosomes are always haploid and are denoted as n. In human beings, somatic chromosomes are XX and XY, whereas genetic chromosomes number is X and Y. Okay. Chromosome structure of chromosomes. Structurally, chromosome consists of 7 parts: centromere, chromatids, secondary connections and satellites, telomeres, chromomeres, chromonema and matrix. See in these slides, structure of chromosomes. Centromere, it is a localized region of the chromosome with which spindle fibers attached, is known as centromere are primary connection are kinetochore. Chromatids, one of the two distinct longitudinal subunits of a chromosome, is called as chromatids. Chromatids are of two types, sister chromatids and non-sister chromatids. Okay, secondary connections. Some chromosomes exhibit secondary connection in addition to primary connection. The chromosomal region between telomeres is called as satellite. Okay, the chromosomes having satellite is called as satellite chromosomes or sat chromosomes. Telomere, the two end of chromosomes are called as telomere. Telomere are highly stable and they do not fuse or unite the telomere of other chromosomes. Most important characters of telomere. Chromomeres, the chromomeres of some of the species show small head-like structures called as chromomeres. The structure of chromomeres in chromosomes is constant. Chromonema, thread-like coiled structure found in the chromosomes, and chromatids are known as chromonema. Matrix, it is a fluid water in which chromonema are embedded in, is called as matrix. Okay. Chemical composition of chromosomes. Chemically, chromosomes are nucleoprotein in nature, means are composed of RNA, DNA and proteins. Generally, chromosomes contains 30 to 40% DNA, 50 to 65 proteins and 0.5 to 10% RNA. DNA, the amount of DNA present in somatic cells is constant. DNA contents of gametic cell is half of that of somatic cells. DNA of chromosome is of two types, unique DNA and repeated DNA. Okay. Second, RNA. Purified chromatin contains 10 to 15% RNA. RNA associated with chromosomes is messenger RNA, transfer RNA and ribosomal RNA. Proteins, protein associated with chromosomes is classified into two broad groups, histone or basic proteins, second non-histone proteins. Non-histone proteins are acidic in nature and histone proteins are basic in nature because of basic amino acids. Histone protein, histone constitute about 80% of the total chromosomal proteins. They are present in an almost 1:1 with DNA. 5 fractions of histone are present there like 1s1, 2s2a, 2s2b, 2s3 and 2h4. Non-histone proteins make up of 20% of the total protein mass. Contents of non-histone protein is different from species to species. Non-histone proteins include many important enzymes like DNA and RNA polymerase. Types of chromosomes. According to the relative position of centromere, chromosomes are divided into 4 types: metacentric, submetacentric, acrocentric and telocentric. See in this diagram. Karyotype, complete set of chromosomes in a species or in an individual organism is known as karyotype. The basic number of chromosomes in the somatic cell of an individual or a species is called a somatic number and is designated 2n. Thus, in humans, 2n equal to 46. Ideogram, the diagrammatic representation of chromosomes, morphologically characteristic of a species or a population is known as ideogram. Seen this diagram. Thank you.